Dear children, today our lesson is A reading, Attitude is Altitude, a complete video lesson. Before going into the lesson, here is the glossary. Look once. Attitude, the way one person thinks and feels. Altitude, height. Stretch, extension. Scratch, to rub. Wrap, cover or put. Torso, the main part of the body, that is trunk. Limbs, body parts. Enables, helps. Drumstick, lower part of the leg. Hip, body part between the waist and legs. Virgin, a person who never had sex. Modest, humble. Publicist, an expert or commentator on public affairs. Club, a heavy stick. Tucked, to put. Distraught, so upset and worried. Phocomelia, a congenital disorder of the limbs. Courage, bravery. Bullying, threatening a weaker person, that is humiliation. Teased, laughed at. Depressed, very sad and without hope. Mobility, to move. Cold and bitter, depressed. Drown, die by being underwater. Triumph, a great success. Adversity, a difficult or unpleasant situation. Convictions, strong opinions or beliefs. Perseverance, the quality of continuing to try despite difficulties. Freak her out, shock, surprise, frighten her. Sped off, went away fast. Feat, an action that needs skill or courage. Dear children, look at the picture. Do you imagine having no arms to stretch in the morning to help you scratch that itch? No? Do you imagine that you have no legs to walk or run, to bicycle or to kick? No? It's very horrible. Then imagine both at once. It's very, 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 very horrible. Have you heard such kind of story before? Yes, here is the story of Nick Vujicic, who was born without arms and legs. He is Nick Vujicic. He was born in Melbourne, Australia. He is a torso. He was without arms and legs, a rare occurrence called phocomelia. He has a small foot on his left hip. It helps him to balance, to kick, to type, to write, to pick things up between his toes. Nick joked with his friends about his foot. It is my chicken drumstick. He always feels that he would be lost without his foot. About his marriage, Nick is an evangelical Christian. He has chosen to remain a virgin until marriage. His friend Steve Appel said, Nick is very modest and he gets marriage proposals from many women. He is waiting for the right girl to marry him. At last he married at the age of 30. Which sports and games Nick plays? Nick plays water sports like swimming, surfing, and also plays football, golf, skateboard. He is a huge fan of English Premier League, that is a football event. Nick's mother, she is a nurse. She was very upset when Nick was born. She took all precautions during pregnancy. She takes 4 months to hold Nick herself. Nick's father is a computer programmer and accountant. He was also shocked to see his son Nick in hospital. Immediately come out hospital room to vomit. Nick's parents did their best to Nick. At 18 months, Nick's father put him in the water to give courage and to learn how to swim. Nick's parents sent him to mainstream school, that is normal school. It was the best decision did my parents, said Nick always. At age 6, his father taught him how to type with his little toe. Nick's mother invented a plastic device to hold a pen and pencil. They also arranged an electric wheelchair for mobility and a team of carers to help him. He brushed his teeth with a wall-mounted brush. He washed his hair with pump-action soap. He did a degree in financial planning and real estate. In 1990, Nick won the Australian Young Citizen of the Year award. Sometimes Nick depressed when he was growing up. At 8 years old, Nick deeply depressed and went to his mom crying and told her, "I wanted to kill myself." Nick sometimes felt cold and bitter. He sometimes hated God for doing this and terrified about his father, about his future without his parents. At age 10, Nick tried to drown himself in the bath. Life-changing article read by Nick. Nick was at 13. He read a newspaper article about a disabled man. In this article, that disabled person achieved great things and also helped others. Nick, inspired by this article, and realized why God had made him like this, to give hope to others. Then he decided to use his life to encourage and give them the courage. After reading the article, Nick changed his attitude positively. Nick decided to be thankful for what he do have and not get angry about what he don't. Next, Nick said to himself in the mirror, "You know what the world is right, that I have no arms or legs, but they will never take away the beauty of my eyes," Nick said to himself in the mirror. Nick wanted to concentrate on something good that I had. Here is the funny incident happened when Nick was traveled in a car. A girl at traffic lights was looking at him interestingly. She could only see his head. So Nick decided to do a 360-degree spin in the car seat to freak her out. He did 360-degree spin. Then the girl shocked and sped off really quickly. It's a very funny incident. Nick traveling the world in 2008 and went to Hawaii to meet surfing master Bethany Hamilton. Her arm bitten off by a shark when she was 12 years old. He wanted to learn surfing at Bethany Hamilton. Nick quickly learnt how to do the 360-degree spins on his surfing board. This feat got him on the cover of Surfer magazine within 48 hours. No one has ever done that in the history of surfing. He has visited different countries all over the world and changed as a motivational speaker. Nick traveled over 24 countries, speaking to groups of up to 110,000 people. He moved to live in Los Angeles to travel the world as a motivational speaker. Nick's statements and sayings. He said that if I fail, I try again and again and again. If you fail, are you going to try again? He questions us. Keep on getting up when you fall and to always love yourselves. He said that finishing must be strong than opening. He always said, if I can encourage just one person, then my job in this life is done. These are the statements of Nick. Dear children, body structure and looks are inborn. We did not choose or we did not make our body. We need not take pride or we need not feel ashamed of our looks, our body structure. Pride, shame comes from our behavior only. We respect people and people respect us for our skills, for our behavior and for our qualities only. So don't feel bother about your body looks. Be positive, be strong, be courage, be confident, do hard work and improve good behavior. Read the lesson twice. Thank you. Dear children,